To do something very interesting that not a lot of people do. I decided to fully document my trading journey to turning profitable. The editing in these videos are not going to be the greatest because I'm pretty new at this. I don't really know editing, but as the videos progress, hopefully everything gets better. So basically, most of this is raw live trading footage with few cuts here and there, maybe some background noises. I just want to start and keep it real from day one. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I'm figuring why not document the process instead of waiting until everything is perfect. So if you want to follow my journey and see how it all plays out, I appreciate you for being here from the beginning. Let's get into it, brothers. Yo, what up, guys? Today we're gonna be going over this trade setup in QQQ. We're gonna be trading off of fair value gaps, trend lines, and breakout structures. Right now, we can clearly see that we're in a downtrend for a couple weeks now, maybe like 2.5 weeks, and we're now consolidating at a previous low in the market. If you scroll out, there's a previous low in the market. For some reason, I don't know why price came and consolidated and like basically respected this line right here. Sometimes the market does that. It's weird as fuck, don't ask me. But it's also consolidating at this fair value gap and trend line. So the pre-market is going on right now. What we will be looking for is simple as fuck. What we'll be looking for, if the pre-market candle opens below this fair value gap, honestly, I don't care if it opens below this trend line or not. It already came down there, came to this trend line. It didn't break it. It left a big wicks, and if it leaves a big wicks through a trend line, that means it's not invalidated at whatsoever. You just adjust your trend line to the downside like so. So we won't be looking for it to break this trend line. Why not? Because honestly, that's just too much, man. It's too much time. It's just too much. It's some bitch shit. It's, if you wait for the price to open below this trend line, then that means you're just scared to lose money. No, I don't like losing money, but I will wait for price to open below this fair value gap to the downside, and I will be setting my stop loss right here. Yo, what up, guys? I just woke up from a nap. It was well needed. I needed that to clear my mind. I just got done drinking 2 bottles of water. What am I saying? Gotta get the water in your system to stay hydrated. Honestly, having water in your system just clears brain fog. Cannot talk right now. Clears brain fog. And when you're trading, you really don't want too much brain fog because it's just not really good, to be honest. But I wanted to talk to y'all before the market opened, because I do have a routine that I do before I make every single trade, no matter what. First off, I would go over to Twitter, or X now. I type in QQQ, the one that I plan on trading, and I see any related news on it today. Like this one right here, he's basically saying it could be a bear market to downside. Don't know why. I just like seeing other people's posts to validate my trade even more. It's just another validation in my head that I feel comfortable doing, and it just makes me feel better about the trade. You go here, weekly chart, implied range 614.84 to 589. 600 is our make or break level, largest. And when I see this, I think these people are seeing what I see. He's saying 600 is the make or break level. I'm seeing prices at 601 right now, as you can see. I'm seeing 600. 600 is our make or break level. So therefore, is he talking about this range right here? Is he talking about this range right here? If it breaks below this, could we see, you know what I mean? And that's what I really look at just to validate my trade anymore. There is 4 more minutes until the market opens. I will see y'all when it opens. So guys, the market is about to open. We're looking for an open below this fair value gap so we can enter this trade. We see a fair value gap right here as well. Alright. Honestly, I'm really seeing a sell right here, honestly. Once it comes back up into this fair value gap zone, I'm seeing a sell, and once it closes above this line or above this line, I will be out of the trade. Honestly, I feel like it's a good entry. If honestly, it's like kind of indecisive right here because it did hit this trend line down here, but also we're in a big downtrend, and we could either see price come and close below this on this candle, or price could come up here in this candle and hit it and then reject it and then come back down. But yeah, it could do that or it couldn't. I don't know, we'll see. Patience is key. Seeing all this structure to the downside, this is either a god tier buy right here and someone hit this trend line and fucking bought right here and got fucking buku money, or this is either gonna come back in this fair value gap and come back down. Push up to it. Don't be a bitch. Like, honestly, if price doesn't hit it and it goes down, I will be kind of upset. I will be upset. But it's whatever. Because I kind of like this setup, but it could also stop us off, but we're not no bitches. Alrighty, we has entered the trade. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. You know what I'm saying? See, when I hit a certain like amount of money, I want to get out because I am up and I'm a newbie trader, so I'm like, fuck bro, like can I really, like, I'm up $58 right now on this trade, okay? Like, I want to take out, but come on, play it out, Jason, play it out. I haven't played a trade out before. Let's see what happens if I play a trade out. I'm willing to play a trade out to learn, but I should take profits low key. Like, this is the fucking like whole mindset when newbie trading. Like, should you take profits? Should I get the fuck out? Should I not get the fuck out? Should I stay in? You know what I mean? We are at $55. So right now you can tell my strategy works because, bro, like dead ass, literally, look, literally came up here, came down this trend line, respect the trend line, came back up to this fair value gap, hit it, and was going down. I'm a fucking genius, motherfucker. I am like fucking, I'm a genius. I am up $75 right now. Fuck, bro. $75 isn't a lot for this setup, though, is it? I'm a newbie trader, though. I'm up $82 right now. Loss. Realistically, we're gonna bring stop loss into take even now, because if price comes back up here, that's just a no-go. So we're gonna bring price into break even. We are up $89 on this trade. Let's see how it goes. We are up $100 on this trade. I'm feeling pretty confident with it. To $100, I am taking profit. Why? Because I'm a newbie, and I need to have my profits hit. $100 in 7 minutes. I will take that. $105 now. We are fucking moving, baby. Let's go. $160. I said I would take my profit, but this trade is actually looking pretty fucking good. I might have just hit something pretty big. $119 right now. Alrighty, if you see $127, holy shit, chat. I will take profits. I took profits. I took it. Let's fucking go, baby! Guys, this is the post-trade fucking talk, brothers. we fucking got a winner, guys. We got a fucking winner. We're gonna be talking about this trade. It was pretty fucking simple if you use your brain. We saw price open with this candle right here. We saw it open like around relatively like right here. It came down to this trend line, hit this trend line, started leaving in big wicks to the upside. Then it came back up to this hourly fair value gap. It hit it, and you see exactly what it did. Hit it, directly bounced off of it to the downside. I took profit around, I think around here. This move from all the way down here, at some point I was like right here, and I was up $132. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, I should have let the trade play out. I wouldn't. If this move from here to here is $132, what the fuck is this move? You know what I'm saying? What did I miss out on? You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you can't look at like that, because I am a beginner. I have to take my profits. But in the future, it looks like we're gonna have some big winners, hopefully. But the trade setup was pretty simple. It was having it react on this trend line, then coming up into this zone right here. This is a resistance zone. If y'all don't know what fair value gaps is, that is completely okay. I will explain that in a later video. But it came back into this fair value gap, hit it, directly bounced off of it to the downside. We could see that we were in bearish trajectory. We saw that it didn't close below this trend line right here previously on this candle. Came back down here, didn't close below it, came to this candle. It came to this trend line area, hit it, directly came back up to this resistance fair value gap, then hit it, came directly back down to this resistance zone down here. Now, looking at this, you might not understand it, but it's simple as fuck once you understand. These are all these lines and all these boxes are literally resistance zone. If you can figure out the resistance zones in the market, then you have a better probability of winning. Now, thank y'all guys for tuning in, bro. I'll see y'all motherfuckers in the next one. Let's get it.